The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a red alert for Mumbai and predicted extreme rainfall for Maharashtra. This indicates that very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall is expected in these areas, which could lead to potential flooding and disruption of normal life. It's important for residents to stay updated with local advisories and take necessary precautions to ensure their safety. Red alert definition. A red alert from the IMD signifies that authorities need to take immediate action. It indicates that extremely heavy rainfall is expected, which could cause significant disruption and pose risks to life and property. Impact. Extreme rainfall can lead to waterlogging, floods, and landslides, especially in vulnerable areas. It can affect transportation, damage infrastructure, and disrupt daily activities. Precautions. Residents should stay indoors if possible during heavy rain, avoid traveling unless necessary, and follow instructions from local authorities. It's crucial to stay informed through official sources for updates and alerts. Response. Local authorities typically undertake measures such as deploying emergency services, monitoring water levels in rivers and reservoirs, and ensuring communication channels are open for public safety announcements. Forecasting. IMD uses advanced meteorological models and data to predict weather patterns. Red alerts are issued based on the likelihood and intensity of extreme weather events, providing advance warning to help communities prepare. Stay safe and stay informed during such weather events. Certainly. Here are some additional points related to the weather situation in Maharashtra and Mumbai. Forecast details. IMD's red alert indicates that Mumbai and surrounding areas are likely to experience very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over a specified period. This kind of forecast is crucial for residents, businesses, and local authorities to prepare adequately for potential impacts. Monsoon season. Maharashtra, including Mumbai, typically experiences intense rainfall during the monsoon season, which spans from June to September. Monsoon rains are essential for agriculture and water reservoirs but can also lead to flooding and infrastructure challenges in urban areas. Infrastructure challenges. Mumbai, being a coastal city with densely populated areas, faces unique challenges during heavy rainfall. Issues such as waterlogging in low-lying areas, traffic disruptions, and strain on drainage systems are common during extreme weather events. Emergency preparedness. Local authorities and disaster management teams often activate emergency response plans during red alert situations. This includes mobilizing rescue teams, setting up temporary shelters, and coordinating relief efforts for affected communities. Community awareness. Public awareness campaigns are crucial during such times to educate residents about safety measures, evacuation routes, and emergency contacts. It's important for individuals to heed official warnings and avoid risky behaviors during severe weather conditions. Long-term planning. Municipalities and city planners continually work on improving drainage systems, infrastructure resilience, and disaster preparedness to mitigate the impact of heavy rainfall events in the future. Climate change impact. Increasingly, climate change is influencing rainfall patterns globally, including in regions like Maharashtra. This underscores the importance of adaptive strategies and sustainable development practices to manage weather-related risks effectively. As the situation evolves, staying updated through reliable sources like IMD and local authorities remains crucial for everyone's safety and well-being.